Hello everybody, welcome to the Chubby Gourmet Show. Today we're going full tilt. We're making burgers, but not just any old burger. We're making Angus beef burgers with a whiskey glaze and with Roquefort blue cheese on top. So it should be delicious, a blend of a few strong flavors that will hopefully come together in one beautiful burger. So stick around, come on, let's do it. And joining me today is Valentina, the only person who can roast garlic and me at the same time without flinching.
That's because I'm not easily to impress.
That's true. Remember when you roasted that garlic so perfectly? People actually thought we faked it.
It was real. And it's not like unlike your natural game at the gym.
Ouch, baby, that hurt. Now Valentina is gonna prepare the onion. She's gonna cut the ends off, and she's gonna peel the skin, of course, at least one layer deep. And then she's gonna slice rings, which she's gonna fry in olive oil. And that we'll do first. And we'll let them simmer in the olive oil while we prepare our whiskey glaze. Ooh. That's more than enough for 2 burgers. So, wait, I'm trying. Oh.
No puedo tampoco. Está muy fuerte.
What a mean onion he was. I like little slivers. So we'll let the skillet get hot. Add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Why are we using olive oil? Because it tastes better than motor oil. So you can start with half a cup, which is there, of one of my favorite things in life, Jack Daniels. Fun fact, whiskey can only be called bourbon if it comes from a specific county in Tennessee. And Jack Daniels distillery happens to be there. And give me about a quarter cup of brown sugar.
Listo.
I'll probably need the ingredients because I forget what the ratio of other ones were.
So, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Yep. And then 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire. And 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. One tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Then I'm going to throw in 2 cloves of garlic. There we go. Less than a quarter teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper. And last and certainly not least, about the same amount of smoked paprika. Okay, yeah.
Enough.
So just a little bit of butter on both sides. Good deal, perfect. You certainly know how to butter your buns. Okay, everybody, we've got our browned, not caramelized onions. We've got some buttered buns, courtesy of Valentina. We've got our whiskey glaze with chunks of garlic, just the way I like it. And we're ready to actually put a little olive oil on the grill and cook these Angus beef patties. So let's do it.
Are you going to glaze both sides?
Yes, definitely. I like my burgers medium rare. To me, that's perfect for beef. Val, I think, likes it medium well or well.
Well done.
Wow.
I don't want to hear that cow say well.
I've actually gotten comments from Argentinians on the channel, believe it or not. that said those exact
I
words.
remember that.
I am warming my buns because it's cold in here. And I'm gonna put some Roquefort blue cheese just to make it dangerous. Ooh.
Let's go.
And here we go, Val. The moment of truth. Sweet glaze. Could have put a little more Roquefort, if you like Roquefort, that is. Enough cheese?
For me, it's perfect.
Ah, okay.
I love it. So tasty.
I think we nailed it. Medium. Not well.
Not well, but that's good. I like it. The whiskey glaze is the perfect touch.
The whiskey and the sugar. We did it. And there you have it. Whiskey Glaze with Chubby's Whiskey Glaze recipe. I'll include in the description, I promise. And some Roquefort blue cheese. A little tang to add to it. So Val, honestly, you're okay with the sharpness of the cheese and the sweetness of the whiskey glaze?
Sure. I love this combination. I have never tried a glazed whiskey. So I love it. So tasty. You have to try to do it at home.
That's my secret to winning recipes. Alcohol. And if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, spank that notification bell so you're alerted when we upload more content. And until next time, hasta lasagna.